Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new product of Core, the Cardia Mobile 6L. This device is actually used for testing your the um, ECG. You can actually see the results of your heartbeat and you can understand whether you have any kind of health issue such as you can take an electrocardiogram anytime from your home and you can actually get the ECG results right on your graph, on your device, on your smartphone, and you can send it to your any cardiologist. You can actually export those PDFs as a document and send it to your cardiologist as well. So you can get a. This is like the newest one of the LI code, and this is the LI Cardia Mobile 6L, and uh, it actually gives you six lead reading um, of your heart, and six leads means more heart data for you and your doctor. And you can detect different kind of issues such as normal sinus rhythm, atrial fibrillation, bradycardia, and tachycardia. And though it cannot be used for detecting sudden heart attack or something, but yes, you can find all the such kind of abnormalities in your heartbeat, and you can actually submit it and be alert when if you have some kind of health issues. I mean, it's good considering the society, like you are getting more number of people who have been dying, who have been dead due to this kind of health issues, mostly the cardiology side issues. So you can check the heartbeats every day or maybe every week from your home, and you can see whether any kind of differences are there, and as well as you can submit to your doctor, and uh, you can understand whether there are any health issues. This is like far better than an Apple Watch, because the Apple Watch it comes with a single lead reading, but this is like a six lead reading, and this is the one of the most accurate devices. This is made by Alico, and it is like um, approved by the US health organizations, as well as the patents are also registered in the US. It is like one of the most trusted products for home use, and you can actually you don't have to put any kind of go through the heavy devices or the laboratory scans to identify any kind of issues and you have based on your heart, and you can check it yourself. Let me try to check it. Like I have paired this device with my iPhone 6s, so let me check it out. So this is the device as you see. This device can actually detect the six lead six it can be used both as single lead as well as six lead, and you know, like single lead you can detect you have to keep it use both your fingers, and you can simultaneously use the knees or the elbows of the hands, I mean of your. Yeah, it comes also with a good PDF, I mean manual, to understand what's up there. See, on the both the tap, we have to tap the both the ends of it, and to dictate it. Keep the hands on both the fingers. Yeah, so this is how we take the six lead ECG. Like we keep on the both our knees, like, or we keep it on the leg elbows, back on the way, like keep it on the ankle. Yes, we keep it on the ankle, as well as use both the fingers for dictating the ECG. Okay, let me try to use it right now. So basically, to use a single lead ECG, I will take the device off this device box, and yeah, uh, you can actually keep it like this. Let me take my iPhone. There's an Aqua app for this. The name of the app is Cardia. See, once you have to click on the but once you have to click on the record your ECG, you have to click on the record your ECG. You have to click on record your ECG here. Like once you keep your hands here, then you have to click on record your ECG button. So once you press it, like you can keep your both your hands so that ECG to. Like we can choose the single lead or six lead ECG. Six lead or single lead. Keep both your fingers. Okay, some electric interference are detected. Let me keep it somewhere. Okay. So yes, tachycardia has been detected on my issue. It's just like my blood BP is like 113 by blood pressure per minute or something. Like as you see, but it does detect the heartbeats. Let me try to take the reading once more. Recording ECG and then touch your device. Okay, let me try once more. Okay, tachycardia has been detected on me, as you can see. Like I can export this to email this to my doctor, share the PDF. If I want, I can share it. So you can see the reading of it. You can see the ECG reading. It's a single lead, but you can also take a six lead reading as well. Uh, One more thing you need to ensure is like you shouldn't take this reading near any electronic devices because electrical interference will come across. So I think that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.